Hey everyone, it's Meteormacx. Check out this raw meteorite I found featuring chondrules and some fusion on the outside. I plan to give it a little cleanup and sand the sides to showcase those amazing chondrules hidden in this weathered piece from the UK countryside. Meteorite hunting is such a rewarding hobby. Not only do you get to relax and explore, but these beauties can be worth some cash. I love sharing these fascinating space fragments with you. So if you have any questions or need help, just reach out. If you look carefully, you can see the chondrules and the magnet is attracted to it. This is a weathered meteorite and was found on the surface exposed to the elements. They're all over our beautiful UK countryside, and I love showing you what you can find and what people are not showing you. Now in the second stage, I will just take away some of the dirt and reveal some fusion along with the chondrules. It's nice showing you what you can find and proof that we have some amazing meteorites in our country. I will now go through the process and play some music, and I really hope you like what you see and you enjoy the rest of the video.